Hey guys, what's up? Gilbert here. Um, I have a sandwich.
Let's just get right into it. Okay, starting off
Let's just
first. Yeah.
right into it.
Yeah, Ace Heart. How do we feel about Ace Heart? I'd
I
say,
mean, they're a moderator. They're just lurking. I
yeah,
think they're pretty cool.
yeah, I'd say the same, but pretty cool. We also got the
Rock bottom.
Rock Bottom, the Catboy level. This is the Christmas edition of Gilbert.
Uh, uh, I think. Cause are we rating this on like the actual Gilbert itself,
Hey,
or
however you
who?
feel, like I had no basis for any
I mean, I
any
hate him.
choices.
So
Yeah, okay, truly
nah,
rock
I'm
bottom,
kidding.
a cat boy. Next up, Ale. How do we feel?
S tier.
Uh,
Simply an
skill.
incredible
Yeah. Simply out of this world.
author.
Yeah, Althor. Yeah,
They smell bad.
I haven't seen them around all that much, to be honest.
I mean, they cool, I suppose.
But pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. Next up, Anna.
I will say their Gilbert is really cool.
Yeah.
Um, they're funny, so I think A tier.
Yeah, awesome. I'd say the same, yeah. A new pit.
Oh, Resident Gambler.
Oh, totally, man. We should hold on.
Uh, uh,
Well, I mean, gamblers automatically go
yeah,
to S. Gilbert. Yeah.
he,
Gilbert Catboy.
yeah, yeah.
Gilbert Catboy goes to Catboy. Truly rock bottom. I'm sorry you made it to that level. Man. There's still a chance. Ashley.
Also a moderator. Um, also pretty cool. I
Pretty
think
cool, yeah.
awesome tier, maybe.
Awesome. Alright. Avery.
Thick looking Gilbert. Pretty funny also. They also got a uh, personalized server color just for having the chutzpah to ask for it. So I think they get a tier.
Awesome. So far, only agreeing. Bernie.
I mean, they did cheat on the Minecraft server.
That's a pretty big drop
Yeah.
in ranking. Anything to make up for it?
I mean, I would say C tier, not Catboy level, but
Still, cock. Moving on. Christmas purple bird.
I mean, what's to say about our lovable little Scrimlo Bimlo?
Yeah, I mean,
um,
being infected by the Christmas spirit, that's pretty awesome, I'd
yeah,
say.
yeah.
Local bird.
Sephiroth.
Yeah, Sephiroth.
He's one-winged Gilbert. I think it's awesome tier maybe.
Alright.
Simply because
Yeah.
next one. Yeah.
Cell Hunter.
I think simply for the effort they put into everything,
True.
and on account of being super cool, they get S tier.
So Gilbert, definitely, yeah. Checklet.
Really funny sometimes. A tier.
A tier.
Also, that mustache is incredible.
Truly. I even commented on the
Indeed.
Crybert.
Bullet Bill.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Creepy Pinkbird.
She lives in my walls, so I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Creepy Gilbert with the gun
I-
and the red eyes.
Yeah, I have a. It's just me, but with a gun.
Yeah.
Like, hello?
Like,
Easiest
come on.
here.
Yeah. Creepy Greenbird.
Like my mom.
I'm assuming cock.
No.
I mean, melty face. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah. Eternally in pain. Also pretty cool.
Yeah.
So I put it
I
a
think,
nice.
yeah.
A nice B. Creepy purple bird. Empty eyes.
Shy guy
Shy guy.
from Mario.
True. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Daniel.
Mm. I think the color scheme kind of clashes a little bit.
A bit, yeah.
It's kind of, but you know, it's not the worst, but it's a fair seat here, I suppose.
Yeah, not Catboy, but
Yeah.
yeah, cock. Damn it. The net. I don't know how to say names.
Then I think.
Mm.
Well, simply very cool.
Dogbird.
I think this is awesome tier.
Yeah. Gilbert.
I mean, look at that face. Simply boo womp.
Yeah, Buwamp. The definition of Duwamp. Buwamp. Your.
Indeed.
Up next, Edbert.
Nest from Earthbound. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Also, Sans. Ekran. I mean, this is.
Is this even a question?
It's not. Finpa.
I'm pretty sure this is the first Gilbert with arms.
True. That is true. That is pretty awesome, in my opinion.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Yeah. Latest Halloween purple bird.
Yeah,
Little lizard.
his true form revealed.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty awesome, I think.
Pretty awesome. Oh, we need a tier between awesome and pretty cool then.
I think it's awesome.
Yeah. True
Body
form,
positivity.
Yeah, body positivity, of course. Greenbird, Redbird fusion.
I will say that the hair
Mm.
looks really cool.
Yeah.
I think it's an awesome.
It's an awesome. Definitely. Not biased.
Catboy tier. No.
Christmas Pinkbird.
Looks aggressively festive.
Yeah, aggressively festive.
Yeah, indeed. I think it's cool.
Just pretty, like high tier, pretty cool.
Yeah.
High tier, pretty cool. We can define these a bit better later on, but yeah.
Yeah.
Anime Greenbird.
Yeah, I
Blep.
think this is cocked here.
This is cock. It's not as bad as Catboy Greenbird, but it's like Halloween Gilbert.
Yeah, the OG.
The OG.
I think it's pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. I'd say
I like the eyes because they're like
yeah.
they look into your soul.
But are the eyes better than Chocolate's the mustache?
No, absolutely not.
Okay.
The mustache is magnificent.
Cooler than Bullet Bill, but not cooler than the mustache. Christmas Greenbird, little veteran
Yeah,
of
pretty
the
edgy.
Christmas. Yeah, pretty
Looks
edgy.
like from the edgy 2000s reboot.
Mm,
Kind of awesome.
yeah. It's like the only reboot that fans really kind of like. But all in all, it's low tier awesome. No, I put it next to Halloween. Gilbert.
It's yours, so
Yeah.
I suppose you should get the credit.
Yeah. OG Gilbert. That's
Yeah,
like okay.
Obviously, hello.
Come on. Weed Greenbird, made
No.
recently.
This is maybe it's recency bias, but I think it's really awesome.
It's high tier awesome. Not as awesome as Anna, but still pretty awesome.
Yeah, indeed.
Kinda disappointed, not interested, Greenberg.
Yeah, I think like it's pretty cool, I guess. Just a face change.
Yeah. And then of course, you know,
Oh,
base
well,
Greenberg.
Yeah, base form.
Not as cool as Weed Greenberg.
Yeah, because the weed makes him cooler.
Yeah, the Weed is cool. Gilbert
Now
Greenberg
here-
Fusion? No, that's...
Here
that's-
is a incredibly flashy, very fashionable. Also, it's half of me.
Yeah.
So like, well, I think it's you know, yeah.
Yeah. It's like pretty in the middle. Like it's like basically exactly in between Greenberg and the Gilbert. It's like, you know, a perfect fusion. Gyrobert.
Gyro?
Yeah, Gyro. I like the hair.
Yeah.
I'd say,
Also, they're really funny. I think they're awesome.
yeah, pretty mid-tier awesome. But are they more awesome than the mustache?
I don't think so.
No.
The mustache is it's the casual filter.
We should just put the
Yeah, just put it like higher up. I think.
yeah, like kind of there. Okay, no, here. There we go. I as Greenbird am not cooler than Checklet's mustache, but Weed Greenbird is cooler than Checklet mustache.
Yeah, it's like Fallout drugs. It like upgrades the stats.
Exactly. Hatbird got a Mario.
Luigi.
Oh, my bad. My apologies. Luiger.
I mean, it's Luigi. I would be doing a disservice if it wasn't S tier.
Yeah.
And by that I mean I would be sent directly to the deepest layer of hell.
Yeah.
So,
Right there. Yeah. Halloween Redbird.
I mean, she's your girlfriend. You decide.
Well, how about she decides herself? You wanna give yourself a ranking? Your Halloween icon? Okay, never mind. I'd say it's pretty awesome. And right after this, I'm also gonna have to say normal Redbird is. Oh, which one do I like more though?
I mean, the Halloween one looks like they would bite your dick off. So.
Yeah, and I'd like to keep mine so right next to each other as fate decided it to be. Christmas Gilbert.
Now this I really liked.
Yeah.
I like the you know, the scarf, the
Yeah.
bandage over the eye. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like low tier Gilbert.
Yeah.
This is Halloween Orangebird.
Indeed it is. Very spooky.
Very spooky.
Looks like they're, you know, crying, because they are.
Got the melty eyes.
Yeah.
Somewhere here, I'm feeling like.
Yeah, I suppose.
Jack Mama.
More like Joe Mama.
No.
I mean, graphically, the Gilbert looks cool, and I think they're funny. I think it's a low awesome tier.
Yeah, low awesome. We got.
Can we make a tier lower than Catboy tier?
Definitely. Okay, what's this one?
Dream. Because specifically for Dream. Gilbert, because...
True. I think that's just the... Halloween one.
It is, yeah, but it's based off.
Kayla.
They were mean to me once. Cock tier.
Cock. Straight up. Cock. Kenber? They got pretty mad that
Yeah, this is kind of a mixed bag, because on one hand, Kenny can be real funny sometimes. On the other hand, she keeps ghost pinging me.
I'd say that's
like a lot.
That's a cat boy.
Yeah.
No, that's too mean. Cock.
Yeah, because they can be really funny sometimes.
Yeah. Gilbert?
Oh, easy S tier.
Easy S tier.
Make some of the highest effort memes.
True. I'd say that's like right, slightly behind the Greenberg Gilbert fusion.
Indeed.
Yeah. Kidders.
Uses Linux. 0 out of 10.
Green.
No. I think the color scheme, well, the color,
Yeah,
it's really cool.
It's nice.
It's based off of a character from One Shot game I really liked. And they helped me with the problem I had when I was forced to use Linux for like 20 minutes. Very awesome. Our favorite Linux user.
Yeah, the only one. This is Halloween Pinkbird.
Looks spooky. I like the fonts.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Indeed.
Yeah, right there. Yeah. Laura?
Autumn. Incredibly funny sometimes. Cool looking. Gilbert based off of some cool sprite art. I like it.
Very cool, very cool. Mac?
Can we make a racist tier?
Well, then I should be in there too.
And?
Mac.
Alright. Add Mario to the racist
Mario tried?
as well, yeah. Fisher Mabber also goes into there, so that's
Mental?
an easy 3. Mental, glory to the CCP, C for CCP, so I think, yeah.
Yeah. Normal orange bird.
Looks very joyful.
Very joyful, and that's awesome.
Yeah. And positivity.
Yeah, right next to crying.
Yeah.
Spherical orange bird. Purple bird.
Another one of his lesser forms.
Yeah.
I think it's body positivity and all that.
Yeah, put it right next to the true form.
Yeah.
Base pink bird. Really
Easy
awesome.
as Jim.
Whoa, okay.
None of this would be possible.
True that. I put them right next to Gilbert.
Very
you know
easy.
what? I dare to even say above.
Yeah, I will concede.
Yeah. Like, yeah, all of this wouldn't be even possible without their help. And, truly amazing how long this has been going on for. It's a miracle, really.
Indeed.
But that just speaks volumes
and
about
to all who doubted that this server will be gone in like a week, I'm looking at you, Mac. I'm coming to your house. I'm gonna beat you with a pipe.
Base purple baby.
Again, what's to say about our favorite Scrimlo Bimlo?
Yeah.
The lovable jazz musician who has to make noises and has heart palpitations.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say right above
Indeed.
himself getting infected with Christmas.
Yeah, because he, he's Jewish. So.
Retail bird.
Underrated.
Underrated. Really
Very
underrated.
cool guy.
Yeah.
Lives in the forest in a giant mansion.
Literal.
Probably
druid.
knows magic in real life.
Yeah. Yeah. Halloween Greenbird. Okay, like I have to
It
say.
looks cool.
Yeah, there's
It
a lot
looks
going
very
on.
cool.
There's a lot going on. Well, actually, no, that would be the one before this, because the one before this was a vampire Frankenstein mix. But this is just oh fuck, what was the name? I completely forgot.
The mod Tricky from
Tricky from Madness Combat. Yeah. And I love Madness Combat, so I dare to say that's a very high A tier. Below wheat though.
Well, I hate Madness Combat, so he's going in the dream team. No.
Concede on a nice middle.
Yeah, I think it's cool.
Yeah, it's I'd say, right next to yours.
The problem with the the seasonal Gilberts is just that they're seasonal.
Yeah.
So you can't really. They only really fit during that
season.
Particular, season.
Okay, Sealbert. I know nothing about Sealbert.
It's a seal. What else do you need? It's yeah.
Shadebird.
Okay. I think the Gilbert looks real cool. It's kind of chill.
Yeah, I love it.
It's an awesome tier.
Yeah.
Also, they dropped one of the hardest lines in cinema history.
Mm-hmm.
If you ain't a Gilbert, this is the place to chillbert. And not many know that, but Eminem actually had to retire after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, it just speaks volumes, really.
Yeah.
Shroombird. I love shroom. I love drugs!
And weed.
Next to weed, yeah.
Weed.
Weed is a classic. Shrooms kinda underrated. Well, coming back lately, but
Eventually they'll consume us, so.
True. We have Charlie from
I
I
watch a lot of his content.
True.
So much of it incredibly funny. I think it's an S tier.
Yeah.
Not only that, but A. Gilbert really did get featured in one of the videos.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It was a cameo, but still.
Yeah. I mean, cameos they're something.
Sorry, I mean, they were literally called on to, do the bit for, one of the videos.
Yeah, they were in the official
they just
podcast
absolutely
as well.
just nailed it.
Yeah.
It basically took over the show from that point on, so.
If I remember correctly, Charlie even gave them their bank accounts.
Yeah.
Skybird, I really like this. I really like this.
The design, very nice.
Yeah. High, mid A tier, a nice one.
Yeah.
Right next to Shaper. They look kind of similar, actually. Like, this is gonna be a Binding of Isaac reference, but this looks like the normal one, and the Skybird looks like the tainted one.
Oh my god, guys, have you played Binding of Isaac?
Susbird, racist. Tierbird, I love the sinister smile.
Yeah. Also, the gradient.
True, yeah. I believe the only Gilbert with a radiant. Yeah. Because we have Dogbert with the multicolors. I think Dogbert's the only one with multicolor. I'm not seeing anyone else.
Dan also has multiple colors.
True.
But I'm pretty sure, actually I'm fairly certain that Dogbert is the one with the most colors.
True, a whole whopping 3 entire colors. not counting white. So Tierbert, pretty lowest tier.
I suppose, yeah.
Among the greats. Thorn, computer.
Computer. Beeple, bubble, weeble, beeple, bubble.
C for computer. No.
True. C for computer.
Yeah. Tohim? I don't.
Robot. Beeple, bubble,
Robot.
beeple.
I know. I'd say robots better than computers.
You know? Kinda based.
Taurian.
We don't see that much of them,
Yeah.
but, you know, cowboy tier,
Yeah.
you know.
Just for logistics.
And wouldn't Kayla also go in cowboy tier?
True. They.
Cock
would-
tier.
Yeah, cocktail. I mean, is that even a cat? I don't know what that is. Cause they got those.
No, it's a
like...
deer.
Ah. Yeah, that makes like a no.
No.
That'll make more sense. But then Kenbert should be in. This is a threat.
Okay, I
Keep them right there.
I suppose we shall.
Trevor. Not
Funny
not
cat.
Yeah, not really a
Not a cat
boy.
boy. They are literally just a cat.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
Tristan.
I mean.
I dare to say
That
Tristan
I'm
themselves.
an expert in baiting. Also, one of my alt accounts. A lot of people don't know that.
Oh.
So yeah, I think it's awesome. Yeah. Not better than a mustache, obviously, but.
No. Pinkbird Gaybird fusion.
I will say, it looks really cool.
I don't.
I
don't
like
really,
it,
I don't
but
feel it.
but you know, low A tier.
Yeah. I don't really personally feel it, but you know, it's got its charm. Halloween retail bird.
He kept this for a really long time.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
He has a weird tendency to not change profile pictures.
Yeah. But
understandable, but like.
yeah. Still looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I'd say it's
Yeah,
above
yeah.
the base one because, come on, it's the one he uses. The
I mean,
most.
he has a knife too.
Yeah, it's a knife. He's pretty
Brown and dangerous.
Yeah. Upskull, that's immediate S.
Yeah, immediate S tier.
Yeah. Like.
Literally just very funny.
Yeah.
One of the first Gilberts actually.
True.
If
yeah,
I recall correctly.
That is right. Yeah.
Who was, well, not counting the Rangers, who was the first?
I think it was Sephiroth.
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
But not only that, but Obskull got, well, Luna got featured, was the one featured in one of Charlie's videos, so
Exactly.
very high ass tier.
Exactly. Wolfie.
Resident Yu-Gi-Oh player.
That's pretty awesome.
That's pretty awesome.
Not as awesome as getting their own role, though.
Ooh.
Halloween Redbird. I'd say
Looks spooky.
it's spookier than the Halloween one, and I actually kind
Yeah.
of like it more than the base one. So
Fair enough.
I
It's that smirk, I think.
yeah, and I think they have sharp teeth. I don't know. I'm a sucker for sharp teeth.
I mean, a biter for such sharp teeth.
Christmas orange bird.
Spooked.
Kind of, yeah, pretty spooked. I'd say this
Looks very worried.
Yeah.
Out of your friends, which one are you?
Orange bird. Spooked orange bird. Christmas retail bird.
I think it's looks real cool. I don't, if I recall correctly, he didn't even use it though.
True.
But you know, still looks real cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And finally, Zuby.
Hey man, pollination kinda important.
Yeah, pretty important. Yeah.
I think it's a low S tier. I think.
Yeah.
You know, pollination real important, but you know, nowhere in the god tier like you know, Gilbert or you know, Cell Hunter. But I think Ekren might be you know, way higher on account of you know, being the original human Gilbert ambassador.
Dare I say? No. Well,
I think yeah, I think that's good enough.
yeah. Adjusting for inflation, then diffusion should be here.
Oh, inflation?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, no, then it should be here because we got like 8. No, it needs to be. No, it can't go that much lower. No, not possible. No, it's staying right there. L.
Bunny cat.
Beloved.
Beloved by many. I think, yeah, I think this is
the definitive list. Yeah.
Yeah. You slurps. Okay, come in. Containment.
There we go. That's more appropriate.
Quarantine.
I
think I'm done too.
Yeah. All right.